Some people live to please the crowd. I was born to piss it all. I walk in the room and a whisper begin. Every tight-ass critic with a needle and grin. They say that loudmouth bastard don't belong here at all. Well, fuck your gate, I'll kick down a wall. You clutch your pearls while I laugh out loud. A middle finger rebel in a sheep-ass crowd. You can judge me all night with your Bible and pen, but I'll still be the bastard you can't cage in. I was born to piss you off and I do it damn well. Every goddamn song like a ride in hell. If my voice makes your delicate ego cough, then buckle up, buttercup. I was born to piss you off. Raise my glass while you mutter and scoff. Every jealous motherfucker getting shook and knocked off. You can whine till your skin peels off, but I was born to piss you off. You want a quiet man who bows and obeys, but I'm the kind of storm that burns through days. You polish your lies with a preacher's grin, but I say fuck it, I live in my skin. You hate the truth when it hits your ear, so I shout it louder so the whole world hears. You can pray for my fall every night you sleep, but this stubborn bastard climbs too steep. I was born to piss you off and I do it damn well. Every goddamn song like a ride in hell. If my voice makes your delicate ego cough, then buckle up, buttercup. I was born to piss you off. Raise my glass while you mutter and scoff. Every jealous motherfucker getting shook and knocked off. You can whine till your skin peels off, but I was born to piss you off. I was born to piss you off. I was born to piss you off. Every insult you throw is a badge on my chest. Every jealous jab just proves I'm the best. You try to bury my fire in shame, but fuck your shovel, I'm fanning the flame. So keep complaining while I climb the stage. Your hate just writes the next damn page. You can curse my name till your lungs go rough, but I'm the bastard who don't give a fuck. I was born to piss you off and I do it damn well. Every goddamn song like a ride in hell. And my voice makes your delicate ego cough, then buckle up, buttercup. I was born to piss you off. Raise my glass while you mutter and scoff. Every jealous motherfucker getting shook and knocked off. You can whine till your skin peels off, but I was born to piss you off. I was born to piss you off. I was born to piss you off. I gladly crossed. Every bridge you burned I gladly tossed. You wanted quiet, instead you got me. A loud ass outlaw finally free. I was born to piss you off and I do it damn well. Every goddamn verse like a ride in hell. If my laugh makes your perfect mask fall off, that's the proof I was born to piss you off. Raise that drink to the rebel's cost. Every scar, every fight, every line I cross. You can scream till your damn mind's lost, but I was born to piss you off. Yeah, and I'm just getting started.
Hey everybody. Alright. So, I seen that we got some stuff going on today. Since early this morning. Not somebody trying, post more proof. So, while we're waiting for everybody to get in here, we're going to play the short she posted as soon as my slow brain gets to the right folder.
Mommy.
Stay there.
Hey, Mommy.
What, baby?
What's for dinner?
Cheesy chicken and noodles.
What's that?
Exactly what I described. Cheesy chicken and noodles. It's food. I love you. Sorry. Pick with bean is proof cracks me up. I didn't see that pic. Like, did she show it during her live? I haven't watched any of them yet, so you guys get raw reaction today. My Sundays are usually crazy. Just one. Oh, shoot. God. Alright, let me get this up here. So I haven't been able to watch anybody. Nothing yet, so y'all are gonna have to clue me in.
I got the bag ready for you when it's dinner time.
You got what?
I got the bag ready for you when it's dinner time.
A bag ready for me.
Yeah, when it's dinner time.
Alright, well, just go.
He's fine talking as long as like he stays right there.
I think he's talking about like the bag of cheese that was on the counter.
Maybe. Alright. This one. ADHD is real today. Okay. So, this is the short, so nobody has to, you know, go give her any money, because she does get paid for the shorts as well. So we got Sonic in a tank. Does she actually show the whole tank? That's not in the tank. I don't want to see the stuff that he got. I want to see him in the tank. Ugh. Oh, it's not there yet? I'm still wondering if she's actually going to have it. If I'm being honest. Sorry, my son just got home. Nope, that's not what I want. Why aren't you bringing it up? Maybe it's because I don't have it open. That's probably why. Oh, that he likes the fountain. He's kind of big for that fountain, isn't he? Now you guys get to see all the weird stuff I watch.
You still want noodles?
I don't know if it's still going to run either once she gets it in there. Alright. Everybody ready? And shout out to Fink. They are on it with the live streams so that we don't have to actually watch her. Oh, because of that? Good thing is I get to speed this up too. So was she muted this morning at first? This fountain's going to cause respiratory issues? Why is it going to cause respiratory issues? I don't know about bearded dragons, so that's why I'm asking. I don't understand turning a live on and then not being there and just being quiet. I don't get it. Oh, okay, well, yeah, I don't know anything about them, so that's why I was asking.
What's up?
This makeover doesn't look any different. Hey, Chaotic. Still looks like the same old Gabi. You can't tell me that she muted on accident. Because she's, like, watching somebody. Something or somebody. Oh, thanks, Chaotic. Something, because the only thing that really looks different is the cut. So you're telling me she stayed muted and not there for like 10 minutes? For 10 minutes. I'm trying to skip forward while she's just sitting there.
Oh, sorry, I muted it. I just... I probably accidentally just muted the live. I'm sorry.
It was not an
I'm good.
accident. I was here
I just
forgetting
took
that
my
she
seizure
did it.
medication. I'm okay. I'm hanging in there. you know, I'm doing good.
To me, she looks like she's a lot less sickly and a lot more angry.
How are you? Your hair looks good. Thank you. Thank you. It was definitely damaged.
Still is.
Feel a little better.
Are we absolutely being serious right now? Hi, Mama 5. What are we doing? Hey, Mary. Hi, Pandora. What's with the shifty eyes and stuff? I don't get it. She gonna tell us what she's upset about? Like, one thing I've noticed, you can tell when her wheels are turning. Shifty eyes. Her trying to think of a good lie.
I'm feeling okay. A little dizzy.
I definitely
I'm
think
okay.
she's bothered. I think she thought that, like, everybody was gonna back off and they're not.
Hey, Abby. I haven't seen you in forever. I'm good. I'm good, Abby.
So we know this is her first 3, or her first few this morning.
I'm hanging in there. How are you? Thank you. It was definitely like it needed an updo.
Like, I think she's still
So
been
she lives her
watching.
way from bronchitis. I mean, no, I had Abby, a lot of things have happened in the last couple of days. Um, I'm trying to get over this bronchitis. My glucose is sky high. I had 3 seizures. I was admitted to the hospital. I'm on seizure medication. Can't drive. The boys are taking a ride on their bicycles, and I can't even go.
No
So
shit,
I'm just
Sherlock.
here. Plus, I can't ride any vehicles when I'm on my seizure medication because it makes me very dizzy. So usually it passes. But in the beginning, I feel like I'm going to like just whoa. It's like, ooh. But it
It's
does say that it
lightheaded.
does cause dizziness. So, hello. Well, in the MRI, it shows there's a flare in my frontal temporal, whatever you want to call it. They think it was the blood sugar and the nebulizer and the steroids. It was all a
So it was self-induced. Because you don't know how to take your medicine correctly.
combination of everything.
And you don't also communicate with your doctor about the stuff that you're taking, like all the different ones you go to. Because wouldn't they have flagged that? I feel like that would have been caught.
So I was admitted. So I don't know. I posted my MRI on the on here.
We don't want to see your MRI. I want your EEG. I want your discharge papers. To be clear, not your discharge papers.
Um, extremely high blood sugar can cause seizures. My mom gets stuff like this and it has an autoimmune disease. Yeah. So you guys can say whatever you want to say. It's not your life. No, they put me on Lamictal. I was supposed to go on Keppra, but I didn't want to. There was a few different seizure medication that I should have gone on, and Keppra was one of them, and I didn't want that.
Mary, that was me coughing. Nope.
Would you like me to show you all of my diagnoses on my chart? Would you
Yes,
like me
yes,
to
I
pull up
would.
all of my medical history? Want me to show you papers?
Yes.
Huh, haters?
Yes.
Huh? Want me to show you?
Yep.
Want me to show you all of it?
You posted everything else. Sorry, my allergies have been nuts. And I had like a really bad cough hit. Just took me a second. But she posted her MRI. She posted her blood work. And all of that. Yeah, I would have expected that was a trim for like $50. Tops. Like, including tip and everything. Okay, I'm back. But she posted literally everything else. Why wouldn't we want to see the stuff that she's saying that she, if we want it or not?
Want me to show you how you fucking think you all know it, but you really fucking don't. You have no fucking clue. I have all of it right here.
I refuse to believe that I am the one that's clueless.
Go to hell. Go straight to hell.
I would have no problem with going to hell if I didn't think that G was going to be there. So I'd rather not.
So anyway.
She seems very intimidated.
I have to go call my primary doctor tomorrow and get my, my blood sugar under control and all that stuff. I'm about to show you all my fucking medical records. You want to take a look at it? You want to see what the doctor has said?
Yes.
You want to see what the doctor put in his notes about me? How
Yes.
he's witnessed the seizure activity?
Bullshit.
I'll post all of it.
Do it.
Shut up, Coco. Shut up. Please shut up. No. Come on, dude. Please, stop. Move. Go. You have to go over here. Come on. Over here. Come. I'm not playing this game with you. Back and forth. I'm not playing. I'm not playing, so I'm done. You can. I don't care. Nope, don't care. Nope, don't care.
It doesn't really surprise anybody that she doesn't give a damn about Coco, or that she doesn't care. Obviously, dog needs to go out. You didn't stand there very long to get the dog's attention.
How?
You remember how we have to call Wyatt?
I'm sure.
Dude, you gotta chill the fuck out. I don't know what her deal is. We need to go to the dog park and let her out. What? Like, fucking word. Never mind. Never fucking mind.
Hey, Angel. Okay.
What was I gonna say? Come here, I'll pet you. You gotta stop, dude. It's really annoying every time they fucking leave you like this, and I'm sick of it.
It's a dog. That's what they do.
Wanna go to the dog park? Yeah? Okay, well, Daddy's gonna have to drive us, because I can't. So we're gonna have to wait for Daddy. Okay? Okay. Sorry. Let's see.
Right? Doesn't seem too happy now. Hey, Living, how are you?
So, my CO2 is low, and
No, I don't want you to read it. I want to see it. So, on what? She's flipped 3 pages now? On 3 pages, all that it says is that your CO2 is low. There's not other paperwork right there through those 3 papers. She has no idea what CO2 is.
my anion gap was high.
That's what she said, chaotic.
And my doctor said when I was in the hospital,
Why are we
the doctor
reading them instead of
put on his
where I
notes
can
of what
see
he
them?
actually saw when I had a seizure. The one that I had in the hospital lasted 7 minutes.
7 minutes. Class time. Nope. So, a 7-minute seizure is considered status epilepticus, a medical emergency lasting over 5 minutes, can cause serious harm including brain damage, severe muscle breakdown, kidney failure, and death. You had this and they let you go. What a 7-minute seizure can do. Prolonged seizures can cause permanent neural injury or damage, respiratory failure. The brain and body can become deprived of oxygen due to breathing issues during the seizure. Musculoskeletal and organ damage. Severe muscle spasms can break down tissue, which can overwhelm the kidneys and lead to kidney failure. The physical injury, prolonged loss of consciousness can lead to falling, biting, or inhaling fluids. Extreme postural state. After 7 minutes, the person will likely be unconscious, severely confused, or sluggish, potentially for hours. So, none of that happened. Look up NCSE. Yeah, they definitely would have at least if she had one that long, let alone multiple, she would still be there. That's not the one. Non-convulsive status epileptic. Let's see here. In medicine, it stands for a type of prolonged seizure that does not involve the physical convulsion typically associated with epilepsy. It primarily manifests in altered mental state, confusion, or behavioral changes. I don't know. We'll have to see. Oh, yeah, they would have to. She'd have... Nothing is adding up. I'm going to continue her. I got to pee already. My bad, guys.
I could also show and post all the neurologist notes from what he witnessed. I have all documentation, but the fact is, what do I have to do to prove myself that I had a fucking seizure? I mean, you think I fucking wanted that? Oop. Anyway. So, you know, I will post all of my diagnosis.
Okay, I'm back. Let me catch up in the chat. I agree words matter, but we all know that she doesn't use words correctly. So, I told her that her license would be revoked, and she kept saying no. Now all of a sudden it's suspended. I'm wondering, so, we looked it up yesterday. There's only 5 states that the doctor is going to call the BMV. So, it was her responsibility. Now, I'm not saying that somebody that she has pissed off has not called and reported it, but it would not surprise me. A 7-minute seizure, and you got to leave, so how did you feel while you were seizing? Hey, Megan. She said she had 2 seizures at the hospital. I thought it was 4, then 3. Yeah, she can't keep track of how many she's had, how long it lasted, nothing. Hey, Cash App.
Because I can't. If you actually do work in the medical field, you should know this. You cannot put
You can't tell me that wasn't a jab at Kaylee.
something on there if you truly don't have a diagnosis. I can't say, hey, I have this. They can't say, okay, because she said she has this, I'm going to put it on her diagnosis charts.
They can if it was your complaint. Whatever you walked in there saying that you had, they are going to write down your complaint. Because that's what you're being seen for.
Diagnosis chart.
You can go in
can't
and
do
say, I
that.
had a seizure. And they're going to tell you that they treated you for seizures.
And if you want to, you could see all the doctor's notes. I'll post all of them.
I want those
I
in your
mean,
EEG.
What do I have
Bring
to
it.
lose? I'm damned if I do, and I'm damned if I don't. I mean, does it really matter?
Yes.
It's not like anyone gives a fucking shit.
Is Ohio one of
In
those
fact,
states?
if I
I'm not
died, all of
sure.
you probably would throw a fucking party.
But I
Wouldn't
don't
you?
think it is.
What?
That's how much you truly don't give a shit about me.
Nothing.
What's
It,
that? They,
I've
I'm
already
just
watched
calling
it
what I
yesterday.
see.
they asked if Ohio was one of those states.
You could give no
What are they
fucks
talking about?
Where the doctor reports a seizure to the BNB.
by how you talk, what you say, how you
I don't
say
think it
it.
is.
No,
You could care less.
I'm 90% sure it's not.
No, what I care about is the fact that you're using this to try to get people to give you money for something you don't have. That's called a scam. And you've done a few of them. So let's not get cute here. If you post it and it says you had one, then why can't you bring it up where the doctor said that you had one? Crazy thought. She put pregnancy on there when she wasn't. Yeah.
I'm not sad. That a lot. Some of you actually think like that and hope for that.
Nope. I don't think she's sad. I don't think she feels bad at all. I think right now she's very threatened and she's very mad and she's scared. Those are the only three things I think she feels right now. I'm not hoping for her to be sad. But it's not going to take much and she's going to crash.
And don't say, "Oh, Gabi, that's not true."
And the thing is that she's putting this stress on herself. This is not the face to have to get sympathy chaotic at all. I don't think they actually save their videos, Cash App. I think that it's having the opposite effect of what she hoped for is the biggest thing. Like, this looks like panic to me.
I mean, it's not about the seizures. I have more than just the seizures that are going on. I mean, I'm pretty diabetic, which I'm working on myself because that's on me. So I don't want to go into a full range diabetic and have to do insulin and all of that or lose a limb. It's not what I want.
That's funny. I brought that up yesterday. That it's a sickfluencer thing. And that's basically what Munchausen's is that you do stuff to yourself to make yourself sicker. And I said yesterday that I could see her doing that. Do you think she came to class? she could show a video from home. She could show where the doctor, like, described her seizure in their notes, showing the results from an EEG she claims that she had, but all she said is that she had an X-ray. She showed the MRI results, and that her blood sugar and all that was out of whack. She didn't show anything showing towards a seizure. Like, point blank, this is what it was, and that's what you would get from a hospital before you're discharged. Got a haircut. Does that mean I get to be a brand new me and everyone fawns over me too? Of course. Can you buy a pizza for dinner? Trying, guys. Oh yeah, that's such hard work on yourself. She didn't eat an entire tub of ice cream, so I guess it's progress. So you've seen they go to get your hair done. Especially if 7 fucking minute one. I can't even spell anything. I had train horns by me too. Yeah, they're... my town, I'm surrounded by them. She's always in class. Gabi, this is a panicked face. If you're here, this is what panic looks like.
It's just, with everything that's going on, with all the hate and all of that stuff, I'm letting my body destroy me.
No. You're not taking care of yourself. So your body is destroying it. Your body is destroying itself. This is nobody's doing but yours. I forgot. I'm sorry. Nothing is your fault. You don't do anything wrong.
All the stress,
No.
it's taking a toll on my body. And I can feel it.
Welcome to adulthood. Just saying.
I think it has a lot to do with stress. And stress is a killer.
Yes, she's saying that we're doing this to her.
And so it definitely does not help. That's for sure. It doesn't. Which I need to also talk to my doctor about it because,
Girl, you're going to talk to everybody about it. Everybody. You're going to start now. I think she's going to do the same thing she did last year. This is the start of it. Look what they did to me. And then I got to talk to my doctor about it. And then I got to end up finding somebody that can interview me again. And then I need to tell them that I need help getting a lawyer so I can take all of them to court again. I can drop 5 years of stuff on their desk and then not expect it to be gone. When I was deep diving stuff, there was a couple people about like a year before Kaylee, at least, and she did the same shit, and I didn't know that, and I know Kaylee didn't know it either. I cannot understand how all of these hospital trips are trips and they have not ever committed her on a psych hold. Close my mind. How she keeps getting away with this crap. I don't know. If she keeps going and keeps going with different problems, and they're as evident as this one, that it's self-induced, I don't know what steps they take for that. Gotta need to get me skip up on your channel.
If I want to be healthy, I gotta I gotta do something about it.
Sorry, I'm a
And
10-year-old.
lots of life changes. I mean, you know me, I like to go on my bike, and the boys are riding their bikes, and I'm stuck here.
You were more upset over a chocolate bar yesterday than the thought of not working, or the fact that you're inconveniencing Mimi and Aaron because you can't drive. You were bawling over a chocolate bar more than having a seizure. I don't think your bike is going to be your biggest life change that you need to make. Call me crazy, but if you're okay with it, we'll bring them up after we get her caught up. She's going to end up with some grippy socks and new meds for sure. She keeps going. Yeah. Hey, chill. Maybe 2. Yeah, like, I feel like last year was probably like infertility and the miscarriages. Oh, excuse me. This year it's going to be diabetes and seizures. What, baby?
No.
Alright, stay right there. Let me turn my camera off first. Okay? You're too pretty for TV.
Aaron won't let me go. I even asked Aaron if I could go on the bike ride, and he said no.
Okay, give me
Now
a...
you know me, I love my fucking bike. But I'm sitting here.
Is it dinner time yet?
Not yet, no.
Fun. Yeah, I picked this fucking life. I picked it.
One, if this is actually real, the doubt that's been going on, she's done. It's called crying wolf. After so long of lying, nobody believes you. If you keep going to the doctor and telling them that something is wrong with you, and they can tell that there's nothing actually there wrong, they're not going to believe you. When you are in dire need after crying wolf, that's what happens. Mimi should have definitely read them that story. So yeah, in my opinion, she did pick it. Because I don't even believe the stuff that did happen. Or she says happened. Showed the results that we're asking for. Why wouldn't you? You show literally everything. You show your bloody discharge. Ugh.
It's great. It's awesome. I can't even go in my car and go to a store.
One moment. She didn't go to the store before. She has her stuff delivered. If it's not for a store. Okay, Southern. She gets it from DoorDash. She has them delivered. She made her bed, so now she has to lay in it. Exactly, Christina. Out there still falling for her bullshit. say I did last year for a little bit, and then it wasn't that hard to figure out after. But it's who she attracts, and she takes advantage of that. That's why she does this shit.
I could walk. Which I was told I could go on a bike, but the only person I'm going to injure myself is me if I have a seizure. So Aaron's like, no. Which I could probably, I mean, I'm on my seizure medication. So my mom's like, Gabby, just stay home for a week and let the meds work. And if you haven't had a seizure, talk to your primary care physician and ask him what you can do. Like, just,
Yeah, it only
so I'm
took
going
me
to call
like a
my primary
couple
care physician.
weeks to figure out she was
And
talking
I'm
out
going
her
to ask
ass.
him what I can and cannot do. In the meantime, I just take it one day at a time. And that's all I gotta do. Probably have to stay here for the whole week.
This does not look like an upset face for having to stay home for a week. And if we're being honest here, I doubt the doctor told her that she couldn't exercise. Maybe not vigorous exercise, but she's not put on bed rest. So if she wanted, she could probably go for a walk. Does that make sense? Go take a walk around the block, stuff like that. Stuff that'll still keep you active, but you're not a danger to anyone. She never drove anywhere anyways. Is that, like, we've seen her in the car maybe twice in the past couple months? Like, doctor's gonna tell you be as active as you can. I could see him saying don't exert yourself because of a possible seizure and having high blood pressure. Or not blood pressure, but blood sugar. I could see those. I can't understand a doctor telling you when you are pre-diabetic to not move, not exercise. Like, that's called bed rest. Her biggest enablers. How do they not see the bullshit already? I will say, love is blind. So, I mean, they love her. They are going to give her the benefit of the doubt.
But I'm serious, though. I'm not a liar.
That's true. She's dangerous.
And I'll post
herself.
all of my records. I'll show all of it to you.
Okay.
You can see what the doctors have said, the neurologist. You can see all my scans. You can see all of it. I haven't posted everything. I was in the hospital for 3 days.
Yeah, I want to see all of it, all the paperwork.
You don't think that for 1 second? Why would they admit me? Why? You see my glucose. You think that's fake too?
No, bitch, we think you stuffed a whole fucking cake in your mouth. I don't think the blood test is fake. I think she stuffed a whole fucking cake in her mouth to end up skyrocketing her blood sugar. I don't know what's hard to understand about that. Nobody's saying your blood test is false. Everybody's saying that you did this to yourself. You ate a cake, took a breathing treatment, you're already on steroids, which lowers your blood sugar, I found out. It's self-induced. You even said it at the beginning of this, bitch. They told you it was your diet, your medicine, those things. You did all of those things together without asking if they should be taken together, how long you should be taking them, the correct way to use a damn nebulizer. We're not saying the blood test is fake. We are saying that you are an idiot and you did it to your damn self. Funny, because her side hustle to make some change. She drives to now. She really, really can't work and is going to need some side. He's going to need like 3 jobs. Oh, their hospital visits are always around the time rent is due. I didn't notice. But you can't tell me that this is somebody striving for their own damn happiness either. She can't spark, she can't DoorDash, she can't do any of it.
I was also fighting an infection too, and my white blood cell was like 13 something higher.
Because you said that you have bronchitis. My brain is trying to slow down to this level of stupid, and it hurts. Your white blood cell count is high because when you went to the urgent care, like the after hours, they told you have bronchitis.
Actually,
There's a cat outside, and my cat wants to go get the cat. So
I felt very weak in the hospital. Even the doctor on his notes said, looking very ill appearing. I'll show you that too.
I can't argue that one. Even before you said that you were sick, you're very ill looking. That's what happens when you're not taking care of yourself. Half the time, I look ill looking. You know why? Because I didn't do any of my self-care shit and I tried to get everything else done. Looking ill is not a diagnosis. I wasn't sure if it was our cat or yours. It's mine. There's a... She's just coming out of the heat. And I'm pretty sure it's a boy cat that's outside. So if you put two and two together, she's like running around to different windows and yelling.
I did not look good. I looked very sick.
Well, at least you recognize
When
it.
my mom came to visit me and Bobby at the hospital, they walked past me, and I was like, "Mom," and my mom goes, "Gabi," and I'm like, "Yeah." She's like, "I didn't recognize you." I'm like, "Well, where's that?"
I could see that being from her gaining, not anything else. There are people who are actually ill and go through a lot. Aw.
And neither did Bobby. And I was like, "Okay, well, there's
I
that."
only have the one cat.
I'm
She's
right
not
here.
very friendly to other animals. She's okay with my dogs, though.
My blood pressure was
Only my
extremely
dogs.
low. I can't even tell you how many IV bags of fluid I was going through.
Ugh.
They were pumping so much fluid inside me. Bag after bag after bag after bag after bag after. There was 3 IV bags going on me. 3. I had 2 IVs in my wrist going for fluids. I had one in my increase in my elbow for my blood. And then they switched it to my upper arm to put the IV in.
Car alarm.
It was just constant IV flow.
They're not going to do that. There's danger in doing that. You can overflood your system. Now, they would do that if you went to the ER and you were only there for a couple hours. It would seem like bag after bag because they're probably going to give you at least a couple, but they're not going to go like one right after the other for an entire freaking day. I'm saying, and there's that. Yeah, you're going to drown out your system. However, this face is fantastic. And she said Mimi walked right by her. It was BS. It was either BS or Mimi hasn't seen you in a while and you gained some poundage and like you're that disheveled. Oh, is it Willow?
I don't know the reason why, but they were. My guy said this. And if you call me a liar, you call me a liar. But I'll let you look at it.
What are we looking at? Get your screenshots ready.
There's that.
Move your head. Let's see here. Can you imagine being a poor nurse on the floor when you hear Gabby Jackson? Can you imagine being anybody working in that hospital because she goes all the damn time? What was the blood pressure? I'm not sure. I didn't, her blood pressure? I'm looking. She said my blood pressure was extremely low. That's all that she said about it. She didn't actually give what it was. Let's see here. Medical history. Diagnosis. Endometriosis. Depression. ADHD. Pelvic pain in female. And a seizure.
Diagnosis, I'm on my chart. Endometriosis, depression, ADHD, pelvic pain, and oh my word, seizures.
So I have a question. I think you guys will like this one. When it is documented and diagnosed to you from your doctor, they will put a date on it. Why does seizure have no date? You told them that you've been diagnosed with seizures. That's why there is no date here. That doctor has not seen you for seizures, but they saw you 2 years ago this time. Almost the exact same date. This is what shows up when you give them your history, but they have not seen you for it. This doctor saw her on that date for this problem. No need to fear. Missy's here. Hey, Missy. You're fine. Literally 120 over 80. Doctor always ask about your medical history upon yeah. Like, she honestly thinks that everybody else is just stupid.
Wow. I'm a liar, right? Okay.
Yep. Proved me right. But let's continue. Why is the endodiagnosis above the ADHD was diagnosis with ADHD before endo? Yep.
You think that's fake?
Oh, you put your head in the way. You're here for seizures. That's your complaint. That's your complaint. I thought she said that she was there for 3 days. She arrived on the 22nd and discharged on the 24th. Paper I take with me. This meds that I take everywhere just in case something happens. Yep. Yeah, she does that. Like, she's tracking her meds. Yep, that's what you complained about. You arrived on... Bring this up. You arrived on Wednesday. And you were discharged Friday. So, I want to see... She was live on Wednesday. Yeah, because she went to the urgent care on Wednesday, and then she went live, because I remember she was bitching about the dog not on leash, and all like that. And she was, I don't know, crashing out on Kaylee on her live, stuff like that. And then we watched her get in the car and everything on Friday, and she got her hair done yesterday. Nope, she was there probably for one night. I think she went there Wednesday night and was sat in the ER. And then she got admitted in the morning. So I guess she would be over there for 2 nights. But it's not like she's been in there for 3 days and had all this time. There is no overseeing neurologist on there either. The only one that it says is attending provider, consulting physician, and a registered nurse. She would think we like... She thinks that, like, everything that she's saying makes sense to her. We're probably febrile seizures, and they ran with it. Probably, like, my son had a febrile seizure. I don't, like, when we go, I let them know he had this one, but this is what it was. So he doesn't have a, like, history of seizures that they put in there. There 48 hours, but she's still counting the days, not hours. Oh, there's a full of it. It's coming out of her mouth. It's dated at 11 at night, midnight. Okay, the tinfoil Tuesday. Oh, it probably was. The plan of care by nurse is on it. To finish, we'll show. No, she would see a neurologist like within a couple weeks if they were honestly worried about it and if they believed her. No neurologist on there.
Okay. I'll keep going.
Yeah, especially if she had a 7-minute one. It was 9 and it just stopped. Plan of care by R.N. Laura N. at 11:41 p.m. So right before midnight. Problem, infection, risk, participation in infection prevention. Problem, seizure, risk, confirmed. Absence of further neurologic deterioration signs and symptoms. Fall risk. Pressure injury. Like, these don't tell me much. This just tells me that she told them that she had an infection, and so they're giving her antibiotics. She said she had a problem with seizure. It says confirmed, but that just means that either she knew or somebody told them. Absence of further knowledge of deterioration. So they're just monitoring her. Problem falls, which means she told them that she's fallen. The problem right here, risk of pressure injury. I only showed to the ER till they... Technically, it was almost the next day. Are they saying seizure is confirmed or the risk of seizure is confirmed? That part, I'm not sure. I would have to ask Kaylee on that one, because that one doesn't read right to me. But why is there a pressure injury? Hey, CJ. Objection hearsay.
You think that's fake?
Why does it say pressure injury?
I'll keep going.
Nope. None way. Pic shown that she had cut her eyebrow. Did she actually, or is that the one where somebody made up AI? She would have been in there for a week if she had a 7-minute seizure.
Yeah.
Not him throwing a car at her, sorry. Good and well, she would have had showed if she was hooked up to it. Yeah, she would have. It's been said that the cut above her eyebrow came from Cameron throwing a metal car and it hit her. Okay. This would be from the MRI. Contrast administered, so she had an MRI with contrast. No restricted diffusion is present. The ventricle system is normal. The vascular flow voids are preserved. The midline anatomy is normal. Nothing's wrong there. No mass, hemorrhage, vasogenic edema, extra-axial fluid collection, or pathologic enhancement is present. There's a mild increased flare signal in the left frontal temporal region, presumably related to the recent seizure. No evidence of mesial temporal sclerosis. So, I want to see something. Can a mild flare in the left what? Frontal temporal region. Be caused by hitting your head. Hitting your head can cause localized changes in the left frontal temporal region. He posted a couple hours ago. Who posted a couple hours ago? That's what she said in her live. I can't keep up with everything. So, though medical professionals typically use the term focal slowing or hyperintensity rather than flare. Who saw her having a seizure? When you have one, do you realize it? I feel like... Can you send it to me, CJ? I'll bring it up. pressure injury would be preventing bed sores, skin breakdown, being in bed. I don't know why she would have that on there then. But yeah, getting hit in the head can do this. So whether it's the car or she fell off her bike, it's right there. Can a mild flare in the left frontal temporal region be caused by hitting your head? Yes, hitting your head can cause localized changes in the left frontal temporal region. Wow. Okay, let's continue. The paranasal sinuses are free of significant mucosal disease. The mastoids are free and significant disease. So, if she is sick, then yeah, it's bronchitis. It's nothing up here. It's all right in her throat. Mild left frontal temporal flares signals changes possible relation to recent seizures activity. They're saying that that could possibly be it, but you could also hit your head and have the same thing.
Impression, mild left frontal temporal flare signal changes possible relation to the recent seizure activity. Not only do I have that, but you know when you have seizures, you have the pads in between.
If you tell them that you had a seizure, they are going to end up taking precaution and putting those there. That does not mean that they saw you have one. That does not mean any of that. That means you said that you had one, so they put them on that bed.
But I'm a liar.
Yep. 100%. My guess would be that this is who told them that she had one. I don't think he saw her have one. But guess what? If my husband doesn't see me have a seizure and I tell him I'm in the hospital because I had a seizure, and he meets me like in the waiting room or something, guess what's going to happen? He's going to tell the doctor I had a seizure. Part of that's because I don't fucking lie about it either. Actually, I feel like it is if you've seen any of his videos. But just saying.
I'm asking for a friend.
What friend?
You want to see all the doctor's notes and what they have witnessed with me having a seizure twice in the hospital?
Yep.
Or are all of you done?
The him not being there is an assumption. I will let you know that. You can, if you want, CJ. This whole thing is a trick on Bean because she quit her job and doesn't have to tell. She either quit or her assignment ended because it was temporary. And she told Beanhead that it was temp to hire.
To me, this is not a game. This is real life, bro. This is actually really something that really happened to me.
And you're putting it out there, which means people can comment about it. You can either choose to let it bother you or not. If you're not lying, I don't know why this bothers you so bad. I don't. People are going to have opinions. Yeah, it's one or the other. But I do know that she did tell Aaron that it was work to hire only because in one of her videos, that's what his comment was about the job, was that it was temp to hire. Cameras, if she really has a seizure. How this going? It would honestly probably all stop if she showed the damn EEG results.
And I find nothing funny about any of this. Not one fucking thing.
You don't find it funny because you're losing and you're freaking out. That's why you're not finding this funny at all.
Not one thing.
If anybody had either stopped or if anybody was continuing to watch her and believe her, she would be laughing her ass off. Hi, Barn. Oh, we've got, sad Gabi and panicked Gabi and big bad Gabi. Now she's proving everybody wrong, supposedly. That one tear was really hard to get out. If I just had a whole bunch of seizures, was in the hospital, was honestly worried about being pre-diabetic, the fact that I couldn't drive, the fact I couldn't go do stuff with my kids, if this actually happened, I'm sorry. It would not take that much work to get that out. It would not. She has no content. She isn't entertaining overall very much. She needs literally anything to talk about. I think she thought this was going to end up different. I'm pretty sure that she watched at least the three of us and knows that nobody believes her. I'm sorry, if I ever have this happen, guys, you're not going to find out about it till it's done. I'm just going to tell you, hey, I'm going to be MIA for a minute. You know what I mean? Like,
So, if you just make fun of me and come up with your own narrative, that just says more about you than it does me.
I got it, tapeworm.
And it just, to me, it just,
It just what?
I mean, hi, baby. Okay, I'm fine. You can give me kisses and be like, I think mommy needs to cheer up just a little bit. I think mommy needs to cheer up just a tiny bit. Yes, I do. I do. But so far, since I've been back home, I have not had any seizure, which is good. And so the next step is just to go see my primary care physician. And then go from there and see what he wants me to do. After that, I don't know what's going to happen. We just got to probably do more blood work on me. I just got medication from somebody. And you know what? I hope nothing ever happens to any of you. But karma's a bitch. Karma's a bitch. So keep making fun of somebody. Keep doing the things you're doing. And don't worry, she'll come for you. She always does. So In the hospital, I was when I had a seizure, I was given diazepam.
Question. While I was peeing, this bitch brought up about freaking karma. Are you kidding me?
Or my dad was lying. Or it's in my record. It said on site to patient having a seizure activity administered this medication. The medication I'm on is an anticonvulsant, anticovalant, anticovalant.
Okay, hang on a second. My husband and my son were talking about dinner. So we had diazepam. So if it says on-site patient having seizure activity, why can't she show the paper? Talking about her cheekbone, actually it's darker. Who says if it's blackened under her eye? I think that's from her rubbing her damn eyes, if I'm being honest. She's been working up all the tears that she can. She keeps rubbing her eyes. Even mine turn that color if I'm rubbing my eyes so much. Like, does that make sense? Her face is probably swollen from the 34 bags of fluids they gave her. I swell with just 2, so I can only imagine 34. She really better hope she's not screwing around with these medicines that she's playing with. Oh, I know. My camera's off, so you're good.
I was going to say I'm going to interrupt you because I'm getting
Okay.
the window.
She wouldn't have a 7-minute seizure. Yep, I agree. And she hasn't shown it yet that I've seen. I mean, if you're hoping my karma, let's get this straight. So far, Gabi keeps on hoping that all of us get our karma, right? So I'm going to thank her for that. Because so far, 2026 has been a lot fucking better than the last couple have been. So thank you, Gabi, for manifesting my karma back at me. I wholeheartedly appreciate it. Finally, I have an easier year. I can kind of see it, but it looks like she's been rubbing it. So, I think all of us should just take a second and say thank you for my karma. Thank you so much.
Whatever. Usually when this medication kicks in, usually I feel really dizzy and lightheaded.
So she's just now bringing up when her medicine kicks in. Point it out if I'm wrong. most medications that I've been on before, you take them, they kick in within 20, 30 minutes. Through all of her bullshittery this morning, this video alone without breaks in between is 50 minutes in. So, did we take it? Did we not? Did we lose track of time? Are we lying about the dizzy? I'm still good in 2060, even though I had a surgery 3 weeks ago and having another one in 2 weeks. But I'm a lot better. Exactly.
Don't turn your camera
Okay.
I'm here now.
on. Put it
Oh,
And then, like, it usually goes away after a bit. So I usually have to sit down.
I'm not turning it on. You're safe.
There's nothing I can really do. I just gotta wait till the boys get back. And then maybe we can just, maybe he'll take me somewhere or something,
Nikki.
get out of the house.
Let's see here. So, so I know you're supposed to take most medication with food. I can't say anything about that. I'm horrible. Especially when it comes to medication. So, I count taking my meds over eating. I'm just not the best at remembering to eat. If that makes sense. Why are you pissed, Nikki? I didn't do it. I was dead at the time. So to take with food. My doctor said if I do not take it with food, I will get dizzy, lightheaded, and nauseous. I do not believe for a minute that that bitch did not eat before she took her medicine. You maybe. That bitch, no. She eats all the time. You know what I mean? She blamed her fat ass on us. I know. It pissed me off too. But I did thank her for, sending our karma back at us. Because I'm having a great time this year so far. Used to be like that until some of my health issues left me with no choice. That's kind of where I'm at. It's like you're going to take care of yourself or else. Yeah, I got it, CJ. I have it sent over. I don't want to put it up in the middle of this. I'm going to put it up towards the end. Wouldn't make her tired. That's a very low dose. I have a feeling, Trish, that G's a pansy. You know what I mean? It's like, I have a feeling like she drinks a beer and she's done. It's interesting with her. She has like no pain threshold. Two sips of one of her Scooby snack, nasty, bullshittery things that she makes, she acts loopier than a fucking circus clown. So, I honestly think she's just a pansy. When you go to work? Okay.
But
My husband's
I don't
doing
want
stuff,
to
or
ride.
else I would have my camera on.
You can have it on now. Oh, you want like that?
Mm-hmm. Are you getting ready to do it right now?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why.
That's why I went and grabbed that from the... I went and grabbed the sharp
she's an
object
alcoholic.
from
I
the
remember.
basket.
I'm on YouTube, baby. You can say knife. Right, Star? I don't know where all my day went.
I'm happy to
I
see
really
you
don't.
alive, thank you.
And I haven't even been on here long. Sorry, I didn't pause. She only wants to leave... Okay, so thankfully I have the transcript up right here. So there's certain points I can do. So, it's not like she talked a whole bunch either. Maybe he could just take me somewhere or something. She only wants to get out of the house because now she's not allowed to leave. She never left the house that much before. And the famous words you say,
Mom.
we didn't feed her fat. Hang on, baby. Watching his word. Yeah, is very supportive of what I'm doing.
Well, I think my teeth is getting better.
You feel like your
It
teeth are...
doesn't hurt anymore.
That's good. Maybe there was something stuck, and when you brushed your teeth, it came out. That could be. Right, go ahead, baby.
Think he had something in his tooth and he doesn't have?
Yeah. I think that's what was hurting his cavity, and then thankfully here in a week he gets that one out. Before she let it be home. Yep. She never took the dog park either, but now she's complaining. Exactly. She's being told what not to do. Like, why can't we take Coco for a walk? Like, they used to take family bike rides. Why can't we do a family dog walk? That way, Aaron is there. In case something, God forbid, happens. Anyway. Trying to somewhat watch my mouth when I'm irritated. Why can't Aaron be there in case something does happen? That way, Coco doesn't run off. He's there with her son. I don't understand why we can't do that. Oh, drop stuff.
Do yourself in.
So her saying that she kind of wants to ride. Tapeworm, I have an idea for you. With her saying that she wants to go for a ride, I feel like you should have her in the basket on the back of the bike. That'll be so great. She's going so far as to say she can't be alone. It sounds like it. I think that would be a really good idea for one of your videos. I'm not telling you what to do. Don't come for me. With the bike struggling.
These people really do need help. Yeah. They do.
She says she's not allowed or honestly alone. I knew it, but nice to hear it from a rotten mouth. It would make sense because of whenever she's there by herself, we don't ever hear him anymore. Some image to go for the storyline, so I have it noted down. Alright, I'm gonna mute because my husband's gonna be loud, but I'll come back with comments.
We're all fucking human. Like, if you don't like her, get the fuck out of here. They just love to hate. They have no ounce of any compassion, sympathy. They have nothing. Their hearts are all cold. They're just cold, dude. Yeah, I got my hair done. Is that so wrong that I got my hair done? I even asked my doctor if I could do that. I asked my doctor and he said yes, as long as somebody drives you and is with you. I got permission. Oh, thank you. Sorry, people.
Okay, he quieted down for a second. What the actual fuck? You're gonna sit there and say I don't have compassion, that we don't have any sympathy. Bitch, we gave you our compassion and sympathy, and you smacked us in the face with it. Are you fucking joking me? I would have turned on your ass way before fucking Kaylee did. For all the bullshittery that you started to put her through, not giving a fuck what she went through or what she lost, it was all about you. But we don't have compassion or sympathy. You can go fuck yourself, ma'am. Okay, he's gonna be loud again. I had to do that before I exploded.
We're getting a little bit, I apologize. But yes. Because people are mean. You guys wouldn't have any content if it wasn't for her. That's ridiculous. Make your own. Don't use hers.
He's cutting a
I'm
box.
too
You're gonna
slow
hear
in
it
the
for a
head to
second.
understand.
Bitch. Nope. Mm-mm. No thank you. We are trying to take back what Kaylee gave you. Period. Facts don't give a fuck about your goddamn feelings.
I'm gonna get super loud again for a second. I'm just gonna put this in there. Go
Hang
ahead,
on.
finish saying what you're saying.
Like, you can't. No. Don't think so. Fuck your damn feelings. I don't care what you feel, what you're panicked about. None of it. Your only concern was if you could get your hair done. You brought up that you wanted to end up seeing your kid after you got out of the hospital, and then continued to not see him and only play with the dog and your little toys for the lizard. Didn't see him one goddamn time. The only content that you have is that people don't like you and you rage bait. Which, yes, gives us content because we actually are funny. We are actually entertaining. Don't even play with me. I don't think so. Okay, hang on.
And you're so nice. That just tells me more about you than it does me. Yeah, I'm able to continue with EMDR therapy. Mm-hmm. I kind of want to go to the zoo. I heard they had this, I'm pretty sure little, would love it, raised in, right?
I can see the scab there too now. I didn't see it very well before.
Is your eyebrow okay? Yeah, it's fine. Why?
The eyebrow comment made her nervous. You can tell.
So,
Just the way
you
she's
guys,
fidgeting.
you do realize that Erin works nighttime, right? Okay. Erin's with
And?
Cam morning till late afternoon, around 7 o'clock at nighttime. And I have somebody that comes to the house. Literally, I have somebody. Stop. 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 I just want to put that out there. He drives him to school. He picks him up. He's here until 7 o'clock when he goes to work.
Okay, so why is that? She's not talking about this like this is what's going to happen starting this week. She's talking about this like this is what's been going on. And she doesn't give a fuck that she's inconvenienced her husband, her fiance, that she has made it so he can't sleep, like actually get restful sleep. He's got to break it up because she's not getting him from school. She's not taking him to school. And then somebody takes it or is there at night. Who's there at night with you? Or does Cameron go somewhere else? Take a picture with your phone and then enlarge it. Oh, I could see the eyebrow now that it was pointed out. That's what I'm talking about. And her eye looks discolored. It does look... Okay, so can you guys see my... Yeah. So it looks like right here is the cut in the eyebrow. And it looks like she is a little bit bruised right here. I thought when you said it, you were talking about like down under her eye. But it looks like right up here under her eyebrow.
Lay down.
Let's see here. I think Erin's been doing all of it all along. I think so too. Look, wait, what are we looking into? I missed it. Karen's friend is the only one that matters. Yeah. Danny was staying with them. I don't know. Danny hasn't been live. We don't know where she's at. Nothing. If it is her, it's definitely on the DL. Nothing changed. She knows that. We'll question her being alone with him right now. Then again, he disappeared, so it's hard telling. Here's a challenge. Because I don't think Danny would be the one to end up watching me, because I don't cover her very much. If Kaylee and Swifty start telling Danny, prove where you are if you're not staying with your sister, and start, instead of begging for her to come back, telling her that, prove where you're at, or else we're going to say that you're at your sister's. You're living with your sister, aren't you? Oh, you're not? Then prove it. That would be the way to get Dee to come back. In my opinion.
You do realize that, right? Or are we missing something?
Are you? Because none of that was future tense. All of that was present tense. All of it. It's not like this is going to happen. Right? You've been talking about it like this has been going on for a long time.
Try again. Please, for the love of God, try again.
I'm not trying again. I think that you honestly did tell the truth there. But not in the time setting that she's putting it. That's the part that she's missing, is that she's bringing it up now because it fits her narrative right now. I honestly think it's been going on all along. Boxer Mom, have you heard my mouth yet? Girl, please. I get going. My F
I'm
is a
always one
comma.
step ahead of you fucking bitches. I know they probably call CPS. Oh, she can't be alone with C. Fucking dumb idiots. There's somebody in the house when he fucking leaves.
Wow. Wow. There's somebody in the house when he leaves. That wouldn't have just started.
Oh, I forgot. I'm not supposed to live my life like I expected this to fucking happen. Just because I'm a mom.
I think that she did plan for this to happen. She needed something that would make it so she couldn't be there by herself with her kid. She couldn't be on her own. That would get her dismissed from her job. That would make it so that she wouldn't have to exercise. Something that would make it so she didn't even have to drive. So that she didn't have to do any of it. All she has to do now is go live. Isn't it funny how that works? This is all she has to do now. You cannot tell me that you would have all of this ready and set in place to uproot someone's life at night. Because Mimi still works too. And she said, just because I'm a mom.
You know what I can tell you? I'm on fucking seizure medication.
I think
I'm doing what the fucking doctor's telling me to do, and that's all I have to tell you fucking bitches.
Oh, you don't think you did?
So call them.
No, he said the cheese.
There's nothing that I'm not doing. I'm not doing anything wrong. Plus, no one said you couldn't be left alone without. Apparently they're calling CPS because I'm not supposed to be left alone, which that's fine. Do it. Number one, CPS is as long as you're under a doctor's medical, whatever you want to say it, and as long as you're on medication, there's nothing that they can do.
To school since this,
So fuck you and bite
exactly,
my fucking
Missy.
ass.
That's my point.
Bite them. I'm always one step ahead of you fucking bitches because I know exactly what to do. So don't worry, I got my ass covered. Do you?
You're ready to go back and eat again.
Yeah. There's no way. One, I'm not going near that ass. I would end up passing out beforehand. And honestly, I think she's a few steps behind. I think none of this part she would admit at the time that it was going on. Because she couldn't figure out a reason to tell everybody. So now that she found this reason, now it's, oh, I'm a step ahead. I don't think so. You are not head of the class. Your grade is Z. You got it. You got it that wrong. Didn't listen to everyone told you you'd be in a much better place, but you will not be told what to do. How's that working out for you? It isn't. Hey, I'm not even gonna say I'm a classy lady.
Waste resources. We're gonna waste resources.
Coming from her, wasting resources. Okay. Like going to an urgent care after being sick for a day. Like going to the ER and being there overnight. When you know damn well you didn't have a seizure. But other people are wasting resources. Granted, I don't condone going real life. I really don't. Not unless you see something for yourself. Like, don't go off rumors. Make sure you see it yourself. Do not embellish. Do not exaggerate anything if you feel the need. I don't condone needless real life bullshit. I don't. But that just blew me out of the fucking water.
Are you fucking kidding me? And talk about wasting resources. Yeah, okay. Really?
I do think that her chat was eating her up. I can't
Really?
see it on here, though.
Really? Are you guys okay? The police showed up at my door.
When?
Wasting resources. Yes, I'm okay. The fuck? The fuck? Yeah, they were saying, Gabi had a seizure. We're just doing a welfare check.
I don't think so, because you would have shown it. Any other time that the cops have shown up, that they actually have shown up, she didn't get off the live. She went and talked to the police officers while on live. Not a hospital lizard. Oh, Jesus. Can we get that FOIA'd? Caffeine, I's a broke bitch, but if anybody gets it, you're more than welcome to send it to me. Just saying.
Yeah, that was quite the show. I just told her I was telling my story on the internet, and they said, "Oh, okay." I'm like, "Yeah," but I'm like, "I'm not having a seizure, and I didn't have a seizure on the internet." So,
I don't think that the cops there would be that okay with her sharing her story on the internet, since she's been doing that the last couple years and they keep getting called. Someone burning SSI, someone getting food stamps while making more money than allowed and taking Christmas gifts from parenting classes like you need. Yep, exactly. No proof of police and EMS would have shown up. Yeah, if they told the police that this girl's having a seizure, they would have either had fire rescue or EMS. I'm out in the boonies, so half the time fire rescue shows up first. Like the animal control guy that showed up and told her that a bigger tank would be harmful for exactly caffeine. Then she bought a bigger cage. She says they showed up and someone didn't call. Anything but that body cam footage would be epic if she actually spoke to the police. Can I rewind it 15 seconds? Sure. Well, it might not be exactly 15 seconds. They're sick of her shit. They told her to stop and log off. That's what they tell her every time now. You okay?
I'm getting stuff back where it goes.
Okay. I'm checking. Like she didn't listen to the expert. Here, I will put it back so far, and that I can click it, and then so we'll go there.
That's good.
Let me know if that's where you need it. Thank you, honey. Hubby's getting his honeydew list done before he goes to work.
the fuck? Yeah, they were saying, Gabi had a seizure. We're just doing a welfare check. Yeah, that was quite the show. I just told her I was telling my story on the internet, and they said, "Oh, okay." I'm like, "Yeah," but I'm like, "I'm not having a seizure, and I didn't have a seizure on the internet." So,
Barn. I don't like I don't even know how anybody goes about getting FOIAs, if I'm being honest. Right? You put everything on the internet. That's why people call on you. Because the stuff that you're doing isn't appropriate for any of the situations. Any of them.
Can you
You're
all
welcome,
just
Barn.
stop? Because that was fucking crazy and wild. Don't waste resources. That's not cool. And I think
Okay.
that's wrong. They have better things to do than to waste resources on something that never actually happened on the internet. So don't do it. Okay. I'm glad we had that discussion. Hey, what's up?
Yeah, if somebody can instruct me how, I can look into it. I'm just not
Weren't
sure
you
how
gonna
you
call
go
a cop
about
over a
that.
vape? Well, it was stolen, but I didn't. But really, we're gonna just call the cops and be like, yeah, there's a girl that's having an active seizure right now. We need somebody to come over there right now. Do you know how? That is really not funny and that's not cool. You just literally just wasted resources. And you say, I waste resources. Wow. 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 Welp.
Oh, my husband's gotta stop talking to me when I'm streaming. Okay. Yeah, I don't even know how you go about the FOIA, so if anybody can instruct me how, I can look into it. But if it's like, if it costs something, we might have to wait for somebody else to come out with it. So. If they would have said that, okay, if they would have said that she had active seizures at that point, they wouldn't just be cops. They were there. They told her it was wasting their time because they had better things to do. Yeah, they do not like her. They don't. I'm betting that they're hoping, they were hoping that she'd be leaving with Mimi, but lo and behold, sorry, my body's popping.
Yeah.
I think Aaron
Show
took
the
him,
footage.
took the access.
Let me see if they're out here. They're probably out here.
It's okay. Are we playing peekaboo?
Are they out here? No.
What are we looking for?
Okay. Well, I'm gonna have to get the camera footage when Aaron comes back. No, I was just telling the cop my story.
I don't think so. Not for a minute. I feel like that was way too convenient. Because they don't just take off. They type in their police report. And then they go. You know what I mean? They have to report, okay, this is handled. It's not... Gabi, you're so fucking stupid. She would have recorded it for 1, 2, she... They were pissed off if they did show up. Yeah. If Mimi has sold the condo, could she be staying with Gabi? I mean, I guess that's a possibility. Says contact police department and put in a request. Okay. I'll look into it. I want that fake seizure footage being... Oh, nice color. Don't pick it up. Just walk by. She can't exercise, Boxer Mom. She's got ketones. That cooler's heavy. It's a whole 2 pounds.
Told the cop that.
I think Mimi would go nuts.
I was just on the internet telling what happened to me over the next few days, and I just told the truth. I said I had a seizure. She said, 3 days ago, I was admitted to the hospital, and she's like, "Are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah." She's like, "Do you need EMS?" I'm like, "No." She's like,
They wouldn't ask you if you need EMS. When an emergency is called, they send an EMS. You can't be this fucking dumb. Not at I would expect this from my 10-year-old. This sounds like a lie from a 10-year-old. It... A kid doesn't know that all emergency services are connected. They don't wait for the okay from a police officer until they get called, and a seizure is called in, and EMS gets sent. They're not called by the cops, you dumbass. Girl, that's lower than 61. I'm just saying it. No, that's like no. Nope.
Like, were you actually having a seizure? I'm like, no. I was just telling my story. And it was one of the cops that always come here. I like her. She's nice.
If it was one of the cops that always comes there, they were a lot more annoyed with you than that.
But she's like, okay, well, just call us if you need us. I'm like, I will.
Danny, is that you? Were you the cop that showed up and asked if she needed CPS? Or CPS. And asked if she needed EMS? It's close. Danny, you're not a police officer. I don't even know if you're a security guard anymore. And you do go there all the time. Wouldn't it be wild?
So, well, can you guys do me a favor?
What's that, Buttercup?
I'll show you the footage. Don't call somebody if something didn't happen. I think that was very wrong, whoever called.
Nobody called.
They have better things to do.
I have better things to do.
Now, if I did have an active seizure on the internet, then fine. But I didn't. And you really are wasting resources, so I'm just asking you for the respect of the police department. Don't do that.
Just the police department, guys. Not the EMS, not the medical services. This is not sad. This isn't god awfully sick like you would look after a seizure. This is somebody has been freaking out for a few days because everything is falling apart.
Don't do that.
Bitch, I do what I want. I'm sorry, I had to throw it in there. It felt appropriate. Alright, this is the other one that Fink put up for us. Let me get it sped up. That was sped up, by the way. No, she doesn't respect anybody or anything.
So I'm thinking of using this.
Ant fleeing tick killer.
On it. And then, waiting like a day or two. I did get a rake and I did get a level. So I think I'm going to do is level it out and rake it, pull out all of the weeds, mow the lawn. I have grass seed and I have, not only grass seed, but I have, whatchamacallit.
I thought we weren't supposed to be exerting ourselves. Hang on a second. Okay. Yeah, it sounds a lot better now. But we can't exercise, we can't ride our bike. But we can pick up a great big thing of fertilizer with bug killer in it. They didn't give you a weight limit? Asking for a friend. They didn't give you a weight limit? That's funny. Because when you're exerted like that, and your body is damaged that much, usually you're given a weight limit. So things don't get worse if you're not supposed to exert yourself. One second. My dogs are being nutty.
Call it topsoil. So I have a seed spreader. It's gonna be here tomorrow. And then I have this, which I heard this is a really good one for Florida. So the dog will not be going out back. She will have to go out in the front yard until this gets done. She cannot be in the backyard. I also have a little like orange fence that I'm gonna have to put around.
She cannot be in the backyard. I also have a little like orange fence. Until it gets done. What do you mean until it gets done? Please don't tell me that she's got it where Coco is going to go back out there once this topsoil's down. Is that what she's doing? Like, I have the transcript over here. It's a really good one in Florida. The dog will not be going out back. She will have to go out in the front yard until this gets done. She cannot be in the backyard. I also have a little, like, orange fence I'm going to have to put around the area to make sure that nobody steps in it while I do this. Is she putting this in the... Okay, now I'm a bit worried.
The area to make sure that nobody steps in it while I do this.
Just while she does it.
So I have a seed spreader coming tomorrow. I have a rake coming tomorrow. I have
She's going to put dirt in the seed spreader? Will that work? This department wants you asking for respect on their behalf. I don't think they want anything from you. Nope. Yeah, it can. Okay, so, like, I think there they have issues with, like, fleas, ticks, and ants. We have the same problem here. Does not matter. Every house has, like, those little black ants. Like, we treat our stuff, but not... Like, we don't have our dogs go outside in it. Like, that's my concern right now.
ants, well, that killer first, and then the grass seed, and then the soil, and that's it. So my plan is to put down this ant stuff first to kill all the ants, fleas, and bugs. About a day or two. I think I have to water it too. I'm not sure. I have to read the directions. Then I have to pull out all the weeds, rake it, level it, put the topsoil on, then the grass seed. What type of grass do you currently have? You can't mix some grass types. Well, if you really want to know, you see that patch?
Huh. Isn't that where she had her pool last year? Yeah, but it's still going to be toxic. Watch for her to have Coco out there after she does this. Because if I remember right, this is where she had all that pool shit last year.
I have to do something. I have to fix this. hay. Like, it needs to be done.
Yeah, I don't
Which
want to
I
see your.
think,
I want to see.
I think what I got is fine.
Watch, tomorrow she'll have a different one. The one that she has is fine, but watch, tomorrow she'll have a different one. All around, but no grass at their house. Oh my. The landlord called. The new neighbors are probably pissed. Probably because she killed all the fucking grass. Yeah, your body's... You wouldn't be doing any of this stuff today, especially if it was 7 fucking minutes or multiple. You would not be doing any of this stiff yet. Stiff. Oh, that's it. I got a tumor in my brain, and its name is Gabi. That's it. That's all it is. Quick, everybody, I need a grift. The tumor named Gabi in my brain. I just can't. Anyway. Because if you look at the area she's talking about, that's from the pool. Yeah, that's what I thought. She's trying to grow grass. She doesn't understand how to do it. A job with landscaping out there. Are many in Florida. Yep.
And then I have the topsoil.
I'm sure
Get some
there are
hay
plenty
and
in your
put
area.
over the top of them after you get it all done. You got home at 3? Nice. Okay, so get some hay.
Yeah, so
Are you
birds
being
don't eat
serious,
it.
or are you
Yes.
playing with me?
She didn't look up any of this stuff. She just said, okay, I'm going to throw all this at it, and we'll see what happens. I'm not saying I don't do that. But when people are sitting there and telling me that I'm being a moron, I don't tell them, well, you're just bullying me. No. It's called trying to help you, save you from your bad decisions. Oh, wait, I forgot you don't like that. My legs are cold. So I want my soft blanket. Okay. Back into this.
Because the yard is the only thing that we're responsible for.
Yeah.
So I just ordered, like I said,
You have to care for the
$100 worth
yard.
of stuff right now. Okay. I have the seed spreader coming tomorrow as well as the rake. And I have all 3 of whatever I need. No, I'm being serious. That's what we did. Okay, I'll buy some hay too. I hope this works. Not hay, you need straw. Okay, well, that's after I get all of this done. The problem is I don't even know how to cover this. Like, do you think for the ant, flea, and tick killer, do you think I should wait for the seed spreader and then use that to put it in and then go over it? Or do I just grab like a cup and like just go from the end of it or the start of it and just kind of sprinkle it over? It just says apply this product directly to the lawn or garden area. Water treatment area as directed. It just kind of says sprinkle it over. But I want to make my life easier. I don't want to just be careful because it could kill the grass even more. I wouldn't use a cup. The seed spreader would make it more even. Okay, I'll wait till tomorrow to do this. I've been doing a lot of research before I said to do this. And the grass seed, the kind of grass seed they said works really good.
I had to unmute. Okay. She's not supposed to exert herself. She can't go for a walk. She can't go out, ride a bike. She can't. She can do this. Told her in chat they get home at 3. She said nice. I think either she does or Aaron does. One of the two do. Because she even admitted earlier she can't be alone with him. Hi, Mouse. Hi. I'm surprised at Coco's all been out from the fire ants. That's not... That might be why, Barn. Like, it really could be. Oh, baby. You don't need the boy cat outside. And inhale the powder. Why'd she mute? What just happened? Did she mute? Wait a second. Wait a second. Am I screwing up or did she screw up? Because she's talking into the camera.
Chicken can use a little bit more seasoning, so yeah.
Okay. She's the one on mute. That's what I would do, Boxer. What, baby?
Oh, it's muted. I don't know, it's muted. You know, that I need that orange fence or whatever. Oh, man. So I'll just wait till we get because it'll be easier when he's in school. And then I'm just wondering. I don't know. I need like, you know, that not like a fence, but I need like, you know, like where they have like that plastic orange thing that kind of goes around.
Is she talking about that orange mesh thing like you see at the fair? Seriously? What? Why can't Coco just go outside until, like, the grass starts growing? Why is that so hard?
You know, that orange, because I don't look good. Okay, I don't look good. That's why I look like shit. Okay, because I don't feel good.
I don't think that's why.
That's why. Okay, see.
I think she keeps turning her camera off because she's tired of the comments about her eye.
I'm trying to stop interrupting you.
Why
Love
are you
you. My
moving?
by your feet.
Yes, boots are right there.
Right. Lay down.
You see this? Yeah.
Yeah, that
Lay
thing.
down.
No. Like they use them in construction site? Yes.
Hold on a second. We're going to back this up to where she starts the, like, right before the, I don't look good, that's why. I haven't seen any of these comments saying anything about how she looks. The only thing that I've seen is somebody bringing up her eyebrow. That is it. Other than that, they're asking her why she keeps muting. So we're going to back it up to there.
I don't know. I need like, you know, that not like a fence, but I need like, you know, like where
Listen really
they have
close
like that
and
plastic
watch.
orange thing that kind of goes around.
There's let's see your hair.
You know, that orange, because I don't look good. Okay, I don't look good. That's why I look like shit. Okay, because I don't feel good. So that's why. Okay, so you see this? Ugh. No. Like they use them in construction site? Yes.
Nobody in her chat asked her why her camera was off. Nobody. They brought up her eyebrow. Nobody asked her. Yeah, and then she, like, went off for a minute.
Yeah, well, they stream my live. You think I want to look like this?
It looks like all week is supposed to be the 40s.
Okay. Oh, Daniel Wolf's in there. You have not looked good many times and still had your camera on. Girl, you were on for over an hour.
When people like do what they do, no thank you. Okay, anyway, I appreciate all the advice. Thank you for being kind. I'll give that a whirl and I'll see what I can do. When I do get Sonic's cage, I will show it to you. It should come Tuesday. So that'll be exciting. And then we still gotta build this hut or whatever you want to call it. I hope you're feeling.
I don't know if you guys heard my husband, but he literally sat there. It's like, if she looked at it ever, and I'm going, oh shit. So there's a reason we're together. He shit talks too.
Feeling better.
Picky, though.
Yeah.
I shouldn't.
One day at a time. One day at a time. I'll be okay. Listen, one thing about me, I'm a tough fucking chick. Okay? I asked the people that have seen when I had surgery, all the nurses were like, you need to just sit and rest.
Comment caught my eye.
No. I didn't say I'm not picky either.
They will get in trouble.
No crap.
Naish Black,
Catch.
try me. Just try.
If you know, you know. I'd always get yelled at by my chat because my chat would be like, Gabi, sit the fuck down. I don't. Aaron yells at me all the fucking time because I don't. I can't.
She is sitting down all the fucking time. The fuck is she talking about? The only time that she's not sitting down is the 20 minutes it takes her to microwave something or eat it, like, at the counter. She's sitting... Ugh. Bitch, you
Can't
trying
sit
it.
still. I can't. Nothing stops me. I'm not a fucking pussy.
Your tears the last few days have confirmed that that is a lie. Welcome to the Meowski Show.
Even when I had a C-section, dude, the nurses told me, what the fuck are you doing? And I said, what? I'm ready to go home. The doctor said, no, you're not. I'm like, yeah, I am. I was walking within, I don't know, an hour or two after my C-section.
I have never heard this story before. This is the first time I've ever heard anything from her C-section with Cam. If this was such a big deal and such a big, strong moment, we would have heard about this for the last couple of years.
I was like, look, doc, I can go home. And I went home.
It's not how it works.
So if
Still
you know,
have
you
to be
know.
discharged.
If not, whatever. All right, I have to go, guys. I'll talk to you later.
Sorry, my hubby's being a pain in my ass. Okay. So there's that. And then CJ sent this over.
What are this? 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 What are...
Okay. Sorry. Kaylee, Gabby didn't have a seizure. She's still sending paperwork out to the people who send it to others. Cam hit her with a baseball bat on the face, mainly above the eye. She was bleeding. That's why she didn't show her face. Then has said she's having a headache. Goes to the ER. She needed to shut down seizure gate.
This? What are this? What are
Is it all
this? What are this? What are
the
this?
same
What are
message?
this? What are 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 this?
I love
What
you,
are
Kaylee,
this?
but I hate
What
the
are...
graphics. That's interesting. Nikki, do you want this post? I can send it to you. Joe being to come home to take care of his son. Yeah. Well, this would explain it, Barn. This is what you get, Gabby, for being such a hateable person and thinking that everyone loves you. Just saying.
This? What are this? What are this? What are this?
Let's see what else she's got up. Just watch that one. Oh. Oh my. It's too small for me to read what it says. Show me a letter I ever wrote to CPS. Just y'all? Okay. Okay, listen. Oh, that was like spot on. I went to the hospital for having a migraine. They've given me it's called a migraine cocktail. Like, they give you a shot, your head starts feeling better. You're not 100%, but it's all, like, you can function. Who's that? Submitting this letter as a formal statement of my personal observation regarding Gabi Jacobson and her minor child, referred to as C. The information provided below reflects only what I have personally witnessed and is true to the best of my knowledge. At no time have I ever observed Miss Jacobson.
I thought chills are up here somewhere. There's prayer.
Okay, let's keep reading. My son brought me some dinner.
Try to leave me alone until like 10. I was wanting to play a game with mice and we've been having to push it off because of dinner.
Okay. So, hang on a second. Let me set this down. My boys are really sweet to me. Oof. About drop stuff. Okay, where was I? At no time have I ever observed Miss Jacobson grabbing her child by the neck, nor have I witnessed her swing him around during a live video or at any other time. I haven't seen any of the videos where he would be grabbing, or where she would be grabbing him by the neck. I've seen her jerk him up, not necessarily swung around. So technically, as a technicality, may or may not be lying. I have personally observed the interior of Miss Jacobson's home, including her refrigerator and kitchen cabinets via TikTok. Personally observed. When you use personally observed, that means you were in the home. And have seen that there is sufficient food available. I have also observed that the home has running water, and I have witnessed Miss Jacobson obtain water from her refrigerator and sink on multiple occasions. I have never seen locked in a garage or confined in any area of the home. Additionally, I have not observed C present in the garage where Miss Jacobson sings most evenings. To this date, I have not witnessed any behavior indicating that C is being locked up or restrained in any manner. Oh, come on. Okay, now you can see more of it. Furthermore, I have never seen Miss Jacobson administer Benadryl or melatonin to C. Nor have I heard her state that she does so. I have also never witnessed or heard these medications being given together. Based on my first-hand observations, I have not seen evidence to support the allegations being made against Miss Jacobson. In my experience, she appears to be providing appropriate care for her child and is engaged in the ongoing learning process that accompanies parenting. This statement is provided voluntarily and is accurate to the best of my knowledge and belief. Respectfully, Shannon Jackson, as of the 2nd of January. Alright, now I gotta catch up on comments. Hang on, my son needs me. I don't want to hear myself in my ear. Okay. When you're not sitting down, you're laying in bed because you're always so tired. Yeah. Same day or different? Exactly, Willow. Mouse. You don't need a box. You don't need a box. Don't argue with me. I'm just new to watching her. They must be. I'm assuming this is one of her mods. One of the clan that has written this. She said a while back CBS told her she could lock him in his room. Yes, she did. So I'm not crazy as everyone says I am. Who share with class? These are from Kaylee. Drumming on the top of the fridge is his. He likes to play with those. Oh, I know Angie. I was reading this. It's a she, and she tries to act like mom, and she even yells at me to go to bed. So, I'm the mom here, not her.
I was your father figure.
You can literally say whatever you want as long as you don't post her content. You can post AI pictures. He was quiet for too fucking long.
Okay, so
I want to see.
Not that she
I
can
want
to
to see that pad that she was.
show the tea that Kaylee's dropping. I've only seen him eat chocolate milk, and that's it. I've seen her like make him small things, not like what you would constitute as like dinner, if that makes sense. I did find a thing I thought was funny. So with the seizure things going on that Gabi is doing, somebody that I follow on here posted a couple old videos.
Can't go to the hospital because Aaron's gonna go to Uber, so there's no fucking way to do this.
Not Danny faking a seizure. But man, does that phone stay still.
Danny! No, something's not right.
Her head's shaking though.
Your screen go out there. My head music again. Where you're screaming a fucking.
I think she's having a seizure.
You can see her right over here.
Look at her.
It has to wait about a week before she could write it.
Yeah, probably, Gabi.
I don't really know what to do.
I have a lack of sleep.
Well, I know that, but like...
I think so.
I'm gonna call 911.
This one is old.
I'm gonna call 911.
I'm gonna turn my camera off.
Can't go to the hospital.
Just because I got chicken burritos to eat. So, don't come for me. I'm gonna eat my burritos while we watch stuff.
Aaron's gonna go to Uber, so there's no fucking way to do this.
They go back and forth, don't they?
Danny!
Oh, it restarted. Sorry.
No, something's not right.
This is the other one. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Danny, you're gross. That was disgusting. Was not prepared. Has she done anything else today? Was that all of them? I think. Yeah, that was a wild time. I have seen him eat McDonald's. We had to call an ambulance for when Aaron OD'd, so Aaron is not any better. I don't remember that one. I remember when she woke Cam and Aaron up because she claimed that she OD'd and she was on the floor. I remember that one. Has prepared meals. No. I don't think that was all of them. Alright, let's see if any of these look familiar. So, the kratom, I'm wondering if it wouldn't be affecting her right now, because last I heard anything about kratom is it was finally made illegal in Florida. So they had to take it off of the shelves. So it could honestly be withdrawal from that. If my facts are all correct. Because that's the last thing I've ever heard about kratom. Man, I don't think so. I'm not staring at your fucking ceiling this whole time. Girl, you need to invest in a fucking shaver. Or wash your damn mouth. Catch the date, the month of her medication. We haven't gotten to that one yet. I played what Fink had. I have a feeling that's all that this is her playing with her face. I don't know anything about kratom. I just saw that it got illegalized in Florida, though. So all the gas stations had to take it. You lying little bitch. That is her not the right foundation, or color foundation. And she put it on her mouth. She is not this pale. Like, watch. That's foundation on your mouth. Maybe that pic that you say is AI of her blood on her face. Maybe it's the aftermath. Maybe. It could. I can't. Like, I don't have facts on that. Those were my opinions, and I didn't see what Kaylee had posted either. Yeah, if you look at this mouth, that's foundation on your lips. Because watch, as she's drinking, they're getting pinker. No, I think that was on purpose, because she never does it any other time.
Hello. Hi, guys. How am I feeling? I'm okay. I'm okay. Hey, what's up?
Because it looks like she got it up here, like in her eyebrow where that scab is too. Thanks, guys.
Please just be nice. That's all I'm
But
asking.
I do think she did that intentionally.
Please just be nice, okay?
No. I never claimed to
I'm
be a nice
hanging in
person.
there.
Never, ever.
There was just things that happened to me, but I am okay. Thank you, Garrett. How do I feel? I'm okay. I mean,
Is this what we watched before?
there. That's what I really should say, is I'm hanging in there. Thank you. You look
Fabulous.
better. I'm definitely getting my strength back, that's for sure. It's been rough. It's been rough.
To put this in perspective, I am currently eating chicken burritos. She's making more mouth noises than I am. And I'm actively stuffing my face. Just want to throw that out there. It's gross.
Thank you. Your hair looks really nice. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Oh, probably. She watches everybody.
Do you like it? Yeah.
Huh. Somebody in the chat asked her why she copied Kaylee's hair.
I do like it, yeah. Looks nice. Thank you.
Oh, she got mad.
Stop, dude.
You like it? I'm good.
Have you been diamond painting lately? No, not really. Not really. Your hair looks good. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
She will not address the fact that she copied Kaylee's hair.
I saw that same cut. Oh, yeah. Come here, I'll go.
She thought it was a compliment at first. And you can see when she ended up reading the whole thing. It said, I saw the same cut and style on a pup the other day.
Mom.
Oh, she does.
Hey. I don't know. Yeah, I got my hair done. Good night. Your hair looks fine.
Oh, these
Thanks,
were last
baby.
night. Which we missed.
Hey.
Who, Kaylee or Gabby? Has a new profile pic.
What are you having for dinner? We had pizza. I'm okay. I mean, I'm just trying to hang in there, I guess. I definitely feel a little bit better than I have been. Been trying to drink a lot of water. I mean, I just gotta take it day by day. There's really nothing I can do besides just like what I'm doing now. I don't know. I have to go call my primary doctor on Monday. And then I have to go and see the doctor and see what they want me to do. Probably want me to monitor.
It took me a second to chew and swallow. This bitch is gonna make me spit out my burrito. You're pre-diabetic. You just went in for high blood sugar and you bought pizza? Pizza. And you wonder why your blood sugar's... Oh my God.
My glucose, or my blood sugar, sorry.
Same thing.
I'm probably going on a diet. No more sugars, obviously.
You just ate fucking pizza.
Yeah, she just wants attention.
Who?
Thank you. Thank you, Christy. Thank you all.
Who wants attention?
I don't know if that's ice coffee.
I'm forgetting 61.
Yeah, so I had a seizure about 3 days ago. Went at the house and 2 at the hospital.
3 days ago? Your seizure was 3 days ago. From last night. Bitch, you didn't go in till almost midnight.
Hospital. And I would say after having the seizure, I felt very, 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 very weak. Like tired. Like my body was shot. It was done. It hit the floor like, felt like I was floating on air.
You were just tired? You were only tired? Do you even know what somebody that I don't have seizures. I just know what, like, I know the duh things, right? You don't think there's any pain there? You're walking fine. You're talking fine. Your brain seems to be functioning on all of the cylinders that you have. Probably not full for us. Because she's a few cylinders shy, but okay.
I don't really remember much of it. I have to see a neurologist in July and my primary care May 16th. But
hasn't she been saying that there's a neurologist that she saw in the hospital? So why is she waiting to see a neurologist? I could see having a second appointment, but not clear out to July. They're going to let your medicine get in your system, and then they're going to see you again. Since dreams, I realized you didn't say that, and you should have been, so you say it now. Pretty much, Missy. I have no idea what scallop tongue is. I don't think I want to know, but I'll take your word for it. If it's anything like it sounds, I could see Gabby having scallop tongue, but not from a seizure. That'd be from not brushing her damn teeth.
they want me to call in sooner. Thank you, I appreciate it. I'm pre-diabetic. So my glucose was 240, my blood sugar was 178. My A1C was 5.7, so I'm in the midline of pre-diabetic. So they have to definitely monitor it. Plus they have to do lots of blood tests to monitor the levels with my seizure medication. I'm really hoping that this is not permanent. I mean, I just gotta focus on getting healthy, dude. My body is yelling at me. It's telling me, Gabby, it's time to stop whatever you're doing.
I know there's a few of you here in here that know stuff about seizures more than I do. What levels do they have to check? Because, like, to me, that, don't know shit, hadn't been through that shit, I don't know. I have a suspicion, but I don't know. Permanent indents in your tongue. I have a tongue biting hurts so bad. Oh, damn. I'm sorry, Crunchy. I know how it feels like to bite the side of my tongue. I don't know. Ow. Ow. No, her fungal infection on her forehead then probably started on her tongue. She won't. She's gonna keep eating her ice cream and shit.
Yeah. I know that my white blood cell count was down 11, but that's probably because of the bronchitis.
But she said today there was an infection. Which one is it?
It would cost $700. They said it was steroids, the nebulizer treatment, and my blood sugar. It triggered it. No, I'm not driving. I'm not driving. That's for damn sure.
That means that she did it.
I gotta talk to my doctors. I gotta get a...
It's a mixture between the steroids, the nebulizer, and her blood sugar. They literally told her she caused it. If there even was one.
I gotta get a treatment plan. So 5.7 to 6.4 or 125 is pre-diabetic. Yeah, I'm pre-diabetic. Hopefully they'll get... Yeah, I have a good team. I wasn't expecting this to happen. That's for damn sure. So I'm hoping, like, I can just get off this and just...
Has a good team. Gabi, you saw it. ER doctor.
Get my health back in order. It's really all that I need to focus on right now, because I definitely don't want to be like that. If I don't take care of myself, I'm in trouble, and my body is... I mean, the problem is that with my ketones and with my glucose, I'm unable to work out. What happens is when you have ketones in your glucose and you try and work out, it's going to raise it more. So the only thing that I am being told to do is to rest, no stressing, watch my weight, and try to not cut back on a lot of the sugars.
And you thought pizza was a good idea, you dumb bitch? Just because it's not sweet doesn't mean it's not sugar. Or won't turn to sugar. Maybe you should have stayed in school beyond the 4th grade and learned the basics. Because my 10-year-old knows that. Right, Marie? The noise is gross.
Why didn't you start you? They wanted to wait until my MRI and all of my testing.
What was the question? Why didn't you start on seizure meds until yesterday before you were discharged? And this is what she said.
The thing that I am being told to do is to rest, no stressing,
Wait a second.
watch my weight, and try to not cut back on a lot of the sugars. Why didn't you start you? They wanted to wait until my MRI and all of my testing.
I don't believe that for a minute. If taking a seizure medication, to my knowledge, and correct me if I am wrong, like, no shade, I don't know everything. I just know a few things. if you are having seizures, they're going to give you go ahead and give you seizure medication to make sure you don't have more seizures while you're there. If I'm accurate, y'all can let me know if I'm not, but I'll eat some humble pie, that's fine.
You're fine, Chica. Calm down. You're having like a little anxiety attack, dude.
Right? It's not like she's on bed rest.
You're okay. She's like, hey, mama. You're so beautiful.
If you guys can hear me,
but I did get everything for Sonic, though, so that's cool.
at any point, like, swallow a drink or food. I apologize. I am actually very paranoid about that. I try my best, but the really cheap mic that I bought, it picks up quite a bit. So, because it's like right in front of me, I don't know what will and won't. So, I apologize ahead of time.
The cage should be here Tuesday. They were really happy. Oh, that's exciting. I'm sure Sonic's gonna love his new setup. Yeah. We did get the hutch or the kitchen. Not kitchen, but his stand. So, yeah, I'm not gonna build that. Aaron's gonna have to. Is it a cage too? No, it's separate. We have a cage coming, so the stand is already here. We have a cage coming on Tuesday.
What? You mean you just bought the stand at first? Not admitting that you done fucked up. Humble pie isn't carbs or sugar. This heifer needs 16. I love you, Missy. You crack me up. I'm glad you don't hear me eating, because, like, it's a mental thing for me. I get very paranoid.
Me neither, Christy. I got the fountain, like the cool water fountain. It's so
Are you
cool,
supposed to
guys.
be brushing your teeth anywhere but the bathroom? Thank you.
But I know. Yeah, no, for sure. When I get it all set up, probably you guys should be able to see it. I think sometime probably like next week or something when Aaron has time to, because he's probably...
Imagine not working long enough or being part of the real world long enough, thinking that you can get that large of a tank with the shelf for only $250. Like, imagine being that out of the loop with reality, that you think that much is coming for that little.
Exhausted. So I was gonna buy that one too if it was a cage. Oh yeah, no, it's separate. Yeah, no.
And we're the ones out of touch.
I got a coloring book. Sorry. Stop.
I'm sorry. If those were real coughs, and those weren't even the bad ones, she would have brought up that she's been puking by now. Bronchitis can make you puke. Don't like the mouth noises. She goes on a tangent about these twins not... Nikki, I do the same thing. It pisses me off and grosses me out so bad. What are you doing, baby?
Wait, no.
You're going to hang out with me? Keep the noise on your phone down for me?
Yes.
If you're going to be in here? Promise? Getting your glass of water before bed? Yeah? Okay. She would have known that would have been funny as fuck. Okay, listen to her. I have to go wrangle
Stop
dogs
having
real quick.
anxiety. I'm right here.
You silly baby.
Fake cough.
She's like, Mama, I just love you. I just love you, Mama. Right? I just love you, Mama. Come here. Here. Come here, right here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Say hello. You can tell how anxious she is. Okay. Can you smell my hair? Okay, yeah, easy. Okay. Well, okay.
I am not a feeder freak. The noises are gross. They are disgusting. And it doesn't help. They chew like a cow chews cud. I can't get over that. Hey, go shut the bathroom door. Please don't run in the house.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Sorry, it's almost bedtime.
Come here. I've been drinking water. Come here. I don't know what the deal is.
I don't know if we can trust that she's even drinking water. She's been saying this whole time she's just doing that Shakeology. And that she's been eating so much healthier and she's been drinking so much water. But they have to give her a few bags of stuff in the hospital for being dehydrated. Her blood sugar is that high. And they pretty much told her that it was self-induced. She can't think any of this sounds good or believable.
I know. Daddy said he took you for a walk, so I have no idea why you're being like this. You need to stop. You need to stop. Okay, seriously, you're way too much right now. You gotta calm the fuck down, bro. I don't know what's going on with you. Here. Well, that's not gonna help the situation. You want a treat? Here, I'll give you a treat. So Coco is a Australian Shepherd pit bull mix. She's a mutt. Well, for the most part, if I just take my seizure medication, I should be fine because it prevents seizures. I just can't drive. So I've just been drinking tons and tons of water. I've finally been able to get some of my strength back where I can, you know, get up and move around and do certain normal things. I do have help. I do have Karen. I have my mom. So, I mean, I have my doctors, and they're. I'm just gonna listen to whatever they tell me to do. My goal, well, not my goal. I just need to get to see I have to get to see my primary care physician, because that is where this really does matter. My neurologist, I can always call. You are gonna stop. I don't know why. I may have to get off, you guys, because she's just getting too much wild up, and I don't know what's going on with her.
I do know Coco is a very slender dog,
Yeah.
like her breed.
Well,
like there's
I'm hoping I can drive soon.
Bones sticking out, things like that. So.
Never mind.
Do I think that she gets let out the way that she needs to? No, I don't.
It just sucks. I mean, it sucks, and I don't even know what to say about all of this. I never really thought that this would happen to me. But
has she brought up at all, other than the car ride with Aaron, about work? She's not changing her diet. As soon as she got out, she wanted a Hershey bar. And she ate a chocolate cake for lunch. Don't forget the chocolate cake, because that one, I swear that cake was a test.
I guess that's what
They're
you
like,
don't
yeah,
take
she's
everybody,
faking it. Fuck her.
Body just shuts down. And that's exactly what it did to me. Oh, man. Oh, I don't know how that works. Somebody said that the doctor sends it over to the DMV. So if that information's wrong, I apologize.
Yep, it's wrong.
So I guess I believe somebody that I'm not really too sure of. Oh, okay. Well, I apologize. I guess I don't then. It's like Texas. Oh. So then, I mean, I can't drive, obviously, but
I mean, I'll go see my primary care physician, I guess, and then do they do anything or no? I really don't know how this all works. I'm just new to all of this, I guess. Oh, there's nothing on your record. No. It's self-reporting. No, Chrissy, I'm not driving, you guys. That would be, listen.
I do have misophonia.
I'm not driving. Erin drives my son to school and picks him up from school.
See, she's still talking about it like he's been doing this.
No, I will not. That is not a good choice.
Nikki, you should hear me and my daughter.
Because
we've, like, before I started coming on here and doing the shit talking thing, me and my daughter would just be in my room and watching. And me and her would shit talk together. And I tell her that, you know what, this is exactly what you need to see, so you know what not to be. And even she would sit there. She's like, why does she chew like that? It's disgusting. And I'm going, and we'd skip the whole part. It just, too much.
If I really got behind the wheel, knowing what could happen. I'm a lot smarter than that, and I refuse to.
I do not think you're smarter than that.
That is the dumbest thing ever. Did your stylist have a hard time? No, not really. The guy that did it scrubbed with alcohol. I don't know what he used, but it was a little rough, let me tell you.
There was no glue stuff, like this. There was no goo stuff in her hair from an EEG. Like, what? She admitted that she did not wash her hair before her appointment. Her hair was greasy. There was no goo in it. What? Bitch, I'm about to have a stroke just hearing you talk.
That was a little rough. Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna go color. Probably go color or do some diamond art just to kind of relax me. My doctor said I just need to really lay off the stress, not get too stressed. Really rest.
Like, if we made her fat, this bitch is gonna give me a stroke. Like, full-blown aneurysm. It's like, this shit's getting deep. We need the shit kicking boots, because this shit's getting deep.
Limit your activities, see your primary care, don't drive, be cautious on what you do. I'm like, okay, take your meds, and just go from there.
Since last February, or this past February?
I'm not discussing any of that.
She's not discussing work now. Imagine that.
Are you sure your dad walked you? Because you're very hyper. Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna do a video. The hair salon, the hairstylist, they did a video of my hair.
I'm pretty sure if they took a video of them doing Gabby's hair, they looked her up first and went, yeah, we're not doing that. Hang on, I gotta get my son to go to bed.
You want a treat? Come on. Come on. You want another treat? Good, I hope you and Aaron are feeling better. Make sure to like her video, everyone. Right, thank you, Chrissy.
For TV.
Thank you. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Here, before I go, let me
You
show
want me
you.
to tuck you up? I can tuck you up. Just give me just a few minutes and I'll be there.
So this is what I'm going to be doing for a
Potty,
while now.
It's
The color by number.
Excuse me.
And then I have all these markers and
You don't do that.
yeah. So for my spare time,
Okay, that's rude.
that's what I'm going to do. And then
Okay.
I have my diamond art.
Alright. The potty. Plug that in. And get your stuff around for bed. Let me know when you're laying down. I'll come tuck you in, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Hey, Karen. Thanks. Alright, guys, I gotta go. She's being too much right now. Coco, stop. Really? We're gonna waste resources? We're gonna waste resources. Are you fucking kidding me? And talk about wasting resources. Yeah, okay.
Oh, I was muted. Hang on.
I don't have a PlayStation plugger.
Oh, okay.
It's on
Mommy
my
can
phone.
plug it in. Finish getting your stuff around.
Okay.
I was saying, where'd you find that out? I is intrigued. Bug, get your stuff around. And to be clear, Nikki, I'm not saying that I don't believe you. I'm very highly intrigued. I feel like we watched this one too. We did. Where did she show her medication? Like the... Because didn't she show 2 different medications today? There for 38 minutes. Oh, Reddit? Gina, quit it before you're at my blanket, please. You'll send it to me? Okay. Yeah, he has school in the morning. Oh, she did change her profile picture. With her new hair. This doesn't look sickly at all. You dirty little faker. And you wonder why nobody believes your dumbass. The fuck? Okay. You got it all redacted, so I'm not doxing anybody? I'll show you guys. I'm just double checking it. Oh, Barn, I think Missy was telling my little one to go good night. Yeah, I'll scroll the Reddit. Out of 0. Just not going to bed. Yeah, he got school. My oldest has school, but he does the online school through the actual school. Okay, let me save these and then save. Oh, did I say that to the right spot? I bet you I didn't. Nope, I didn't. I'm getting it pulled up for you guys. I don't think very many are very fond of her. If we're being honest. Oh, you need a drink real quick?
I'll just go in my water.
Okay. Okay. Hey!
What's there?
Get this.
My tab is not charging.
I will see if I can't get it to here.
Well?
In just a minute. Go ahead and lay down. Thank you.
Okay. Body follow.
So there's this. Type of disturbance, category, disorder. That doesn't sound like a seizure call at all. That wasn't even last night, Nikki. That's the night before, because that's the 25th at 2:30. So that would have been early yesterday morning.
Mom!
I know. That's funny. Next one. It does sound like a fight. Do I have it? It's at the very top. Disturbance at this address, 425-26, 248. That's embarrassing, Gabby. It wouldn't say disorder and disturbance for a seizure. Liar, liar, pants on fire. Doesn't seem very Christian to me, Gabby. She's blaming Cam in it. Yeah, I see the pic. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. So, I'm going to play this one. Let me go tell my little one good night and let my oldest know to keep. Hang on. Sorry. My cock alarmed. Yeah, listen to her for just a minute while I get my little one to bed and tell my oldest to keep it down. Boys are fun.
Where's my other stuff? This is grass seed. Yeah, well, that's that too, so I'm wondering. Hey, what's up? Okay. Shit. Oh, sorry. So, there's a part in my backyard that is, well, you guys have seen it, but there's ants and all that stuff. So I'm thinking of using this on it and then, waiting like a day or two. I did get a rake and I did get a level. So I think I'm gonna do is level it out and rake it, pull out all of the weeds, mow the lawn. I have grass seed and I have not only grass seed, but I have whatchamacallit, topsoil. So I have a seed spreader. It's gonna be here tomorrow. And then I have this, which I heard this is a really good one for Florida. So the dog will not be going out back. She will have to go out in the front yard until this gets done. She cannot be in the backyard. I also have a little like orange fence that I'm gonna have to put around the area to make sure that nobody steps in it while I do this. So I have a seed spreader coming tomorrow. I have a rake coming tomorrow. I have the ants, well, that killer first, and then the grass seed, and then the soil, and that's it. So my plan is to put down this ant stuff first to kill all the ants, fleas, and bugs. About a day or two. I think I have to water it too. I'm not sure. I have to read the directions. Then I have to pull out all the weeds.
Oh, you missed. I had to go get my son in bed, so this was replaying. Would not surprise me if Mouse, you're okay. I promise. It would not surprise me if being found out and kind of raged out. But it's kind of, how do I put this? I don't know. It would be kind of expected if he were to crash out. Like, you have kind of like a light at the end of the tunnel, and it just got yanked from underneath of you. Especially for how long he's been supporting her and been the only income. I'm not saying physically. I'm saying I could definitely understand if there was a crash out. Okay, we can look at the Reddit. And like, fingers crossed she doesn't like come back on live. I can't. Fondergy, I dare us to find 20 people. There's her photo. Who wore it better? Who did this? No. Not a hypophlatamus. Or hypogabamus? Would it be hypogabamus? This might be the surgery. Oh, hey, I was asking for this earlier. Anesthesia. General. When is this? Where's the date? Oh, right up here. Operative report 2023. One liter of cysteloids. Blood loss 20 milliliters. That's not much. So is this from the cysts on her ovaries? Make this a bit bigger. Description of procedure. The patient was taken to the operating room. General anesthesia was obtained. She was repaired and draped. Normal. Weighted speculum was introduced. It was grasped with a single tooth tenaculum. Sounded to 3 centimeters and dilated to accommodate for that. Uterine manipulator, which was introduced. Balloon was inflated. Bladder was drained. Clear urine. Attention was then turned to the patient's abdomen, where the umbilicus was grasped at 3 and 9 o'clock position with 2 towel clamps. Local lesions camera was placed through there. Grossly normal appearing. Grossly normal appearing. So what did she say about having endometriosis? Endometriosis? Bug. Ignore the dogs. Let them be dogs. And go sleep for me, please. Thank you. Oh, right fallopian tube, Norley. Fallopian tube was grossly enlarged. Left ovary with suspicion for approximately 6 centimeters simple cyst. Taken. Endometriosis implants were noted on the left and the right pelvic sidewall, where pictures were similarly taken. Cyst wall was then removed, sent to pathology. Next, implants on the left side. Performed at the end of the procedure. In stable condition. Hey, Ladybug. Excuse me. So let me get this straight. So C hit G in the face with a metal bat. She's taking a bunch of Tylenol because it hurts. Gets bronchitis. Still don't think she has that. Gets butt hurt from the skinwalkers. Comes up with a whole ass scandal for seizure gate. And here we are. She got hit in the face. Pretty much that's the rundown of where we're at. Not hypogabamus. New hair. Who dis? You know what, Nikki? Since that police report that you found on Reddit, she's been saying all day that Aaron is out with Cam. That sounds a bit sus to me. Medication can have consequences. Maybe read directions. Oh. That's promoted. If you know how to navigate, you have to watch this episode. Kai Fox. I know that one. We're going to hop off soon just because I want to go watch Kaylee. Oh. Now you get to see my bundle of weird shit. Why is he always hitting her, but we never hear about him hitting A? I don't know. So, 4, 6. Okay, so I'm going to look for this live, and we can watch that tomorrow. I am probably gonna go ahead and call it a night. I need to get some sleep. I get up at 5 o'clock. Ooh, I about lost a headphone. I get up at 5 o'clock to get stuff around for the boys, stuff like that. So that comes early. I'm gonna turn on Kaylee and watch that. So I'll probably see you guys in our chat for a little bit. I'll be back on tomorrow. I gotta do a little bit later in the afternoon though, because I have my youngest this week. I think it's that Gabi is the more aggressive of the two. Is why. Well, because she doesn't sit and talk to him. She acts more like he's a thing than he is a person. But make sure if you want that you're in the Discord. All the things. Excuse me. Make sure you're subscribed because I'm all over the place with exact times that I jump on. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love y'all. Thanks for hanging out with me.
Yeah. Some people live to please the crowd. I was born to piss it off. I walk in the room and a whisper begin. Every tight-ass critic with a needle and grin. They say that loudmouth bastard don't belong here at all. Well, fuck your gate, I'll kick down a wall. You clutch your pearls while I laugh out loud. A middle finger rebel in a sheep-ass crowd. You can judge me all night with your Bible and pen, but I'll still be the bastard you can't cage in. I was born to piss you off and I do it damn well every goddamn song like a ride in hell. If my voice makes you delicate,